Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto G82 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can activate and manage the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all you want to, launch the keyboard somehow. In my case I'll go ahead and use this convenient Google search bar widget for it. At the keyboard itself, just look for this very icon that stands for the clipboard. Tap on it. Once at the clipboard, you gotta just turn on this switch by simply tapping on it, and that will effectively mean that you have successfully enabled the clipboard. Next, if you would like to remove some of the elements from it, just tap on this pencil, choose what elements you would like to get rid of, and then click on the trash bin. In order for any element to be added to the clipboard, just copy something. So let's say I want to add the word car to it. I'll type it in somewhere, select, copy. And if I'll get back to the clipboard, I'll clearly see that the car element has been successfully added to it. And from now on, just tap on any element you would like to use, and it will be pasted to any search bar or to any text bar that has launched the keyboard, basically. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.